Welcome to the InstantBuy video series Demystifying Real Estate. Today, we'll uncover 8 must-ask questions that empower you at open houses. First up, history. Ask how long it's been listed and prices. Also find out past owners. Long-term owners likely maintained and upgraded well. Short-term may be cosmetic flips. Request maintenance records to reveal care taken. Here's a pro tip. Search public records to uncover any crime accident history showing issues the seller didn't disclose. Next, inspect beyond the surface. Ask for renovation permits, contractor licenses, and pest documents. Follow up on inspection concerns early. Additionally, inquire if radon tests have been done, since radon is a hidden health hazard. Pro tip, request copies of radon tests and permits to verify quality renovations. Get the full financial facts. Inquire about property taxes, HOA fees, utilities, and assessments. Crunch the numbers to understand total costs. Pro tip, ask for past utility bills to estimate costs accurately. Drive the neighborhood at different times to experience traffic, noise, safety firsthand. Clarify what conveys. Appliances, fixtures, furnishings. Assume nothing not in writing. Ask about past pest inspections and issues detected. Look for signs of termites, rodents, water damage. Inquire about upcoming zoning changes and community developments that could impact home value. Ask for radon testing results. This health hazard can lurk unseen. Arm yourself with questions and leverage your agent's expertise. InstantBuy connects you to local real estate pros. That sums up key open house questions. Contact InstantBuy today to find an agent to guide you.